Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're going to look at a box I got in the mail the other day. It's a brand new Lycoming Millennium cylinder from Aircraft Spruce. Kind of hard to miss that on the box, isn't it? Oh, by the way, cat not included. Hopscotch is mine. But anyway, we ordered 4 new cylinders for the Project Yankee. That'd be the last Yankee owned by Maynard Crosby. And we're going to have the engine overhauled, and this is where we got the cylinders, and we waited about a month and a half for them, but they finally arrived. Now we're going to open the box and we're going to show you what's inside. So stay tuned for a little bit more fun. So now when you slice open the box, inside you'll find a couple of other packages that are in there. One is the hardware set. That includes the rocker shaft for the rockers under the lid, as well as all the keepers and everything else. Then you get a box that's going to probably have the new valve cover that says Millennium on it. You're going to want to paint that because it will not stay nice and shiny for long in an engine compartment. And here's Lily trying to see what's going on. And then you get a ring set for a single cylinder. That's the 2 compression rings and the oil ring, and they're all ready to go. They do have to be gapped to the cylinder before you put them in. And then you get a complete gasket set. Now we're not going to use that cork gasket. We're going to go with the rubber gaskets that are reusable. That cork gasket, you put it on one time, and when you go to take it off, it will be destroyed. And you get a brand new piston for 8.5 1 compression to go in that cylinder. So that's basically what's in the top of the box for the cylinders. Now let's take a look at some of those individual boxes that we took out. Well, nothing fancy in here except a brand new piston, all nice and shiny and ready to go. But again, you have to gap the rings that go in it. 2 compression rings, 1 oil ring, and they do have to be gapped. You do that by putting one in the cylinder and pushing it halfway up. There's plenty of other videos for that. And there's that nice, pretty Millennium rocker cover that we're probably going to paint. You could put a Lycoming one on there, and then again, you get that bag of hardware, the rocker cover screws, and everything else. And then when you look down in the box, there's the new cylinder all properly padded in. And when you take the padding out, there's a cylinder. Now, everybody knows what a cylinder looks like. The valves have already been lapped to the cylinder, so you don't have to do that. The exhaust studs are in place, and the oil return line AN fitting is right there. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what's in the box when you buy a new cylinder. Again, we had to wait about 6 weeks, and you can look them up on the web. Hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.